Are you looking for the best laptops for architects in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 4 best laptops for architects that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Apple MacBook Pro. The new Apple M1 chip is a massive leap forward in terms of CPU, GPU, and machine learning performance. The up to 10-core CPU delivers up to 2x faster performance, while the up to 32-core GPU with up to 4x faster performance is ideal for graphics-intensive apps and games. The 16-core neural engine is up to 5x faster for machine learning tasks, and the longer battery life of up to 21 hours means you can work all day without recharging. The up to 64 GB of unified memory is also a huge plus, as it means everything you do is fast and fluid. And if that wasn't enough, the up to 8 TB of super-fast SSD storage is sure to launch apps and open files in an instant. Finally, the stunning 16-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with extreme dynamic range and contrast ratio rounds out the package, making the Apple M1 the perfect choice for any power user. At number 2, Acer Gaming Laptop. Are you looking for a powerful and fast laptop that can handle any task you throw at it? Look no further than the 11th generation Intel Core i7-11800H processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads. This processor is perfect for gaming, multitasking, and anything else you need it to do. And with the latest NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060, 6GB dedicated GDDR6 VRAM graphics card, you'll be able to enjoy the best visual experiences with ray tracing cores, tensor cores, and streaming multiprocessors supporting DirectX 12 Ultimate. The Acer Helios 300 also features a 15.6 Full HD, 1920x1080 IPS LED backlit display with a fast 144Hz refresh rate and 3 milliseconds overdrive response time. Plus, with 16GB DDR4 3200 MHz memory and a 512GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, you'll have plenty of storage and speed for all your games and programs. And with Acer's 5th generation AeroBlade fan, you can keep your system cool and maximize your performance. Finally, the Acer Helios 300 also features DTS:X Ultra surround sound through the dual speakers and comes with a 1-year international traveler's limited warranty. At number 3, Razer Blade 14 Gaming Laptop. Acer's Helios 300 is a great gaming laptop for those on a budget. It features a 15.6 Full HD IPS display, 16GB of DDR4 memory, and a 512GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. Plus, it has Acer's 5th generation AeroBlade fan for cool and quiet operation. We really like the Acer Helios 300. It's a great value for the price, and it performs well for gaming and other tasks. The only downside is the relatively short battery life, but that's to be expected with a gaming laptop. Overall, the Acer Helios 300 is a great choice for budget-conscious gamers. At number 4, Asus ROG Strix Gaming Laptop. Are you looking for the Asus gaming laptop in your budget? Asus ROG Strix Gaming Laptop is a best laptop. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 8GB GDDR6 is one of the best graphics cards on the market. It has great performance and is very power efficient. The ROG Boost feature allows it to be overclocked to 1645 MHz, which is a significant increase over the stock clock speed. The card also comes with a 300Hz 3 milliseconds 15.6 Full HD 1920x1080 IPS type display, which is a great feature for gamers. The 16GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM and 1TB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD are also top-of-the-line components that will give you the best gaming experience possible. Overall, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 8GB GDDR6 is a great choice for gamers who are looking for the best performance and power efficiency. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.